Guess which day today is?
Huh?
Today is the birthday of our YouTube channel.
No.
Seriously, yes. Do you know which day today is? Today is the 2nd of July, and today, exactly 4 years ago, I created this YouTube channel. Are you ready? We leave or? We're leaving. 4 years and a 250,000 views later. Everything started back then in 2018 when we bought the Canon M50, the Joby Gorilla Pod 3K and the Rode microphone. To be honest, I can't really remember why I started, but I'm still doing it. I guess that I just wanted to capture the moments I experience and explore with my girlfriend. With her, Fabienne, and that was on our first trip to Amsterdam. I only can remember how nervous I was to start filming myself and talking into a camera in public. And still today and still today, sometimes I'm nervous. After the first 2 years, we have reached 150 subscribers. I know, not that big number, but back then I just did it for the joy of it, just for doing it, for the process. And with my self-employment last year and the beginning of this world trip this year, I took it more and more serious. And today, after 4 years, we have hit 993 subscribers. And we might hit the big number 1,000 subscribers, maybe already this week or next week, which is crazy. People were always asking me, why are you doing this? You don't really grow on YouTube, no, you can live from that. But I do know why my growth on YouTube is slow. The thumbnail isn't good, the title is something random, and the edit is not on point. In short, you don't grow on YouTube with a vlog. And I do know what to do about it, and I'm about to do something about it. It is only the question of time when we will reach our next big milestone, the 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube.
Woo! Maybe we do a dance.
What? A birthday dance? That's it already, or what?
It's the birthday dance.
Okay, see you at 1,000 subscribers. Wait for me!
Ja, Schatz, hörst du mal kurz zu?
Ja.
Also, Luigis muss man reservieren. Fürs Leben.
Doch.
Kaffee, immer dasselbe.
Ist auch echt so, oder?
Guck, weil hier zum
Jedes
Beispiel,
Kaffee hat Kaffee.
Nein, hier zum Beispiel.
Ich kann voll weit meine Nasenflügel spreizen.
Mit